Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to answer the question, I'm a VIP member, why am I still seeing ads on my Iqiyi? And it's true. As a VIP member, skipping ads is one of the privileges available to the standard or premium VIP membership. So please check if your VIP status is valid first. Make sure it is valid. Then I want to display this type of ads to you. See, the ads VIPs can skip are the ones which affect the playback progress. If the ad does not affect the playback progress, we suggest you watch the video normally. The ad that pops out during the playback pause do not affect your watching progress, and you can close them by clicking the cross in the upper right corner. We are sorry for the inconvenience. If it doesn't work out, just simply log into your account and submit a feedback report within the Iqiyi app. They are more than happy to assist you. Now, if you want to know the ways to submit your feedback, you're using a mobile app. After opening the app, tap on the me icon and then tap on feedback and then submit your report. If you're using a web browser, you see at the bottom of the page, you see the option for support and help. Click on it and then you see the option for feedback. Click on it and then submit your feedback. That is your complaint. And lastly, if you're using the TV app, select settings, then feedback, or you can use the me option and to take you to customer support. So hope you found this video helpful.